Hello, do you desire to generate a sizable income with little effort and no risk? It's never been simpler or more enjoyable to make money. With this straightforward strategy, you may make up to $100 every day in a matter of hours. It merely requires a small amount of your time and no risk. Making money online is a challenging endeavor. It takes a lot of time, effort, and hard work. It frequently also carries a high level of risk. But I'll teach you a method that is less risky and time-consuming and will enable you to get a steady passive income every day with hardly any work on your part. With simple clicks, you can make hundreds of dollars. So for this video, we'll be using the website Upleap today to generate passive revenue online. You can simply visit upleap.com, but let me first explain how it functions. Don't stress about needing to sell anything, have Instagram followers, or have any other social media followings. A software company by the name of Upleap actually provides a service and a tool to help people grow their Instagram user and follower bases. This is the website that we will now use to make money. In addition, even if you are a total beginner, I'll give you a copy and paste method that you can use right now to start earning money after seeing this video. If you're not familiar with Instagram, it's a social media site where you can publish and share a wide range of pictures and videos. In essence, I'll demonstrate how to profit from Upleap. Here is the affiliate program where you can immediately profit from this website while assisting others in using these to increase their Instagram following. The Upleap program link, which will take you to this page, may be found at the very bottom of this website if you scroll all the way down. As you can see, we are able to collect recurring commissions every month by using the Upleap affiliate program. And using a copy and paste method, I'll walk you through how to do it without any prior expertise. Again, this is available and completely free anywhere. This idea is actually fairly straightforward. These are the initial 2 actions. Free of charge, you may sign up to become an affiliate, and I'll walk you through every step of the procedure. There aren't any extra fees. Once you've created a free account, you can quickly log in and grab your tiny affiliate link from your dashboard. In step 3, you'll start sharing and promoting each of your individual affiliate links, and I'll show you how to do it for nothing and with little work. By doing this, each time a person clicks on your affiliate link, you will be paid. It appears to be a referral program in which you endorse Upleap since they can track it and pay you for each and every user that signs up, correct? You can get paid $30 each month for helping people increase their Instagram following. So allow me to demonstrate the potential earnings via Upleap. As you can see, the website for the Upleap program effectively provides 3 tiers. Again, you don't have to buy anything, neither selling nor buying is necessary. Instead, all you have to do is get your affiliate links and start spreading the word about these 3 separate packages. 3 packages are now offered for $39, $69, and $99 each month. Because the most popular bundle costs $69 per month, this is typically the case. You in $69 will receive a 30% commission on each referral, which works out to 20 and 70 cents, respectively. It is a monthly recurring fee because Upleap is such a terrific product and consumers will continue to use it each month, which is fantastic because it allows you to generate $20 in passive money each and every month. In this scenario, the fact that there is just one consumer is a good thing. This is a fantastic opportunity for brand new beginners who want to start making passive income and online commissions right immediately. The first step is to register for a free affiliate account on Upleap. Simply click this button to launch the procedure right away. You will continue to receive passive revenue if you refer 10, 20, or 30 people, and they use the software on a monthly basis. You will then be sent to this page where you may sign up for the Upleap affiliate program, which helps people grow their Instagram following more quickly and pays a 30% recurring monthly commission. Click this button to register right away. All that is needed is your first and last names, an email address, a password, a statement that you are not a robot, and an agreement to the terms of service. Promoting the top-notch product Upleap is a really sincere and expert way to earn money online. The next stage is to spread the word about this great content right here, where you should drive traffic and encourage people to click on your link. Since this is the most common issue for newcomers, I want to share it with you. This is the final instance of Quora. Okay, so we can assume that Quora.com will bring us a lot of traffic, recommendations, eyes, attention, and people looking at our script. You can currently copy and paste this group onto Quora. For those of you who don't know what Quora is, allow me to describe it. In its simplest form, Quora is a free-form discussion forum where users can post queries and receive responses on a variety of topics. Insanely, Quora.com has the capacity to receive over 470 million visits each month. This website is being used by a lot of individuals. If you utilize Quora's resources, you can succeed. Wisely, simply copy your URL and paste it on Quora to receive a lot of clicks. By receiving 30% of the revenue when customers use your affiliate links there and make a purchase, you can make money passively each month. In order to proceed, you must first create a free Quora account. To get started, just go to Quora.com and locate this page. Simply click on this link to sign up using your email, then enter all of your information in the form on the left before hitting the sign up button. It turns out to be fairly easy after you log in to your Quora account. Use a computer, an iPhone, or an Android smartphone. Basically, you can enter anything and get results from it. For instance, all we have to do in this instance is click on this page and type in, "How to raise Instagram followers." The search function on Quora will assist us in quickly locating all applicable questions and posts. There are thousands of people that are interested in this subject. Let's imagine, for instance, that I click on this post in order to be directed to this website and discover that numerous individuals have replied to this question. This is the precise tactic we'll employ. Bloggers will publish free material, scatter affiliate links throughout the piece or even at the conclusion, and when readers click those links, they'll earn money online. I want you to click on this answer button first because that is where you can type your response. You may be asking how I can increase the number of Instagram followers. Thus, that is the proper setting for this script. Now all you have to do is give your answer on how to raise Instagram followers. You can use Google to get some help for the answer and then put your affiliate link in the answer so people click on it. This is crucial, as without your affiliate links, the entire plan would fail and you won't be able to generate any revenue. Therefore, you can just go to Quora and do searches for different terms to find people who are genuinely interested in growing their Instagram following. With this you can easily make hundreds of dollars. So join in right now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.